of this glass blocks, which is a special plastic actually, and one is outside and one is inside of the stud boxer. Test. Open. No stress. Switching. Switching is stress. Second one.
No stress.
Okay. First one.
Open.
Second.
Open.
Okay. Another one.
We found a little bit of stress on the outside of his brain on his right side. On the other side, there's some minor stress factors. It could be anything. I'm going to see if I find a meridian on his body which I can touch and help to stabilize and open this so-called switching. And the first point I'll search for is here. Remains hard. Here. It opens. So the meridian above his eyes. It's usually a sign that he has experienced stressful or trauma situations earlier in his life.
Now we have to tap him. Just try. If it's enough for the testing.
And it opens.
And it was enough.
That means stimulating these points makes his brain relax. Open. He's open. It doesn't disturb his brain if he's looking left or right.
And it's close regulation. Other side. And it's closed. So we have to find our point where to tap to bring him in a state of that the regulation is open, or we have to fix it manually.
Let's see if we find a meridian that can increase the circulation in his jaw in order to reduce the stress he's got there.
Is there any issue that you know what is a problem in him?
Inntil for 4-5 år siden så var han yrkestraver, og han var veldig stresset i den situasjonen. Han har problemer med framknærne, han har litt problemer med ryggen oppe ved lendet.
Check es die ganzen Wirbel durch. Renzo, fokus hier von der Seite. Wir gehen hier durch. Now we have more than one possibility to do. One is to find a substance like garlic or MSM or a homeopathic remedy that we can test to help his body a little bit. The other one is we can use a healer. The next one is we can give you a nice massage. Huh? We don't use any medical antibiotic. If the problem is an infection, then we find some remedies they are working against infections, like antibiotic. In the same moment, the frequency of the remedy is now in the horse.
So now you can observe the horse and look, does he like it or not?
Regulation stays open.
It doesn't cause him stress?
We found a homeopathic remedy which comes out from Dr. Klinghardts. This remedy is called homeopatics, and now we're trying to laser it in the horse. So the frequency is immediately in the horse, because today, in this time, we don't need anymore to give the substances directly to the horse or directly to the humans. It's quite enough to laser it with a green laser. This is a green laser, 532 nanometers. And now we will transfer the frequency of the homeopathic bud to the horse. We'll see how it reacts on the green laser.
It turns to find out what tickles.
Yeah. Now I put the remedy on it, and I keep lasering the remedy in the body, in the field of the horse. Look at the ears. I think that's okay. Now we do the same test as before without remedy.
Homeopathic is a homeopathic remedy against babesia, quite a common bacterial infection amongst horses. It's very often transferred from cats.
Open. Now we take the polfilter away.
With the polfilter, we're testing the light emission from the body, and now we're going directly on the organs. Now it's the connection organ-brain we're interested in.
Go back to where the problem was before. It's strong. It doesn't show up
Now we're looking for strong arm is good, weak arm. This testing is a bad sign. And here we found a weak arm. So on a physical level, not on a light level, but on a physical level, this is an important place. So it's weak. Weak.
Weak.
Weak.
Weak.
So he's got a serious back issue. Nice and strong.
Try this one. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So it shows up that MSM is helping his back. So we do the same as before. We try to laser it in his system and to see the resonance after lasering.
We would advise the owner to give some feeding material, some MSM, in his food to support the process of getting rid of toxins. Very often MSM can be a good carrier to get rid of chemical toxins in the system.
Now we're using the K-sweep, which is a green laser, and it's an automatic laser. The treatment we're doing now is just a short treatment to see if the system reacts, and in the end we see how many remedies we're finding to help him, and then the treatment can be 20 minutes or half an hour with a green laser. It's just automatic and it continues.
It seems as if he's very deeply relaxed. He's now focusing on the inside of himself. He doesn't really pay much attention to what is around.
So the remedy that we lasered was good. Test if the icing made a problem.
I provoked it with a little stretching to see if this causes stress reactions in his brain.
Yeah.
And it does. We can give a calming treatment with a laser to this area to address that particular incident. I provoke the nerves and I test, and they don't show up. Renzo has put on a remedy that helps.
And this is an oil. So we can laser it in, and he goes in a healing stage. He goes really calm.
I stretch the nerves. Provoking the nerves always send impulses to the brain. I stretch it properly to make sure if there is stress issues on it, I'll pick it up. And I can't get a weak arm, so it means the nerves do not send stress signals to his brain now. Hi.
You are healing, huh? We bring these remedies in his field and we laser them in. We can put it on the top, we can put it just in the room, it's enough. We don't even have to inject or to give it to him. The remedies are doing the work over the field. The information is in the field. And the field gives the information to the body. I get a gratis treatment. And it's a non-expensive treatment for the animals.
We can't find any places which need immediate attention at the moment.